The National Forest spreads over 200 square miles of the Midlands. Over the last 30 years, we've been working with farmers and landowners to create that forest, so we're creating pockets of woodland that are connected and are near to where people live and work. Over the last couple of years, we've been working with the fabulous team here at Queen's Hospital in Burton, developing this lovely woodland to make sure that local residents, the hospital patients and staff all can get out and enjoy the benefit of being in the trees.
We're so lucky to have this on our hospital site for staff if they need 10-15 minutes to decompress after a busy, stressful day, or if you're a patient that's been to an appointment and you don't want to get back in your car and go straight home. Spending time in those green spaces has such fantastic benefits for mental health and physical health.
Due to a combination of ash dieback and other things, the wood needed a lot of attention. So this time last year, with the support of a National Forest Woodland Management grant, we were able to come in and thin the woodland and give it a lot more space, give it a lot more light. Just putting bird boxes up, bat boxes up, making sure we've got lots of nice new homes for wildlife across the site. And it's working really well. We've got lots of lovely sightings of badgers, lots of different birds on the wildlife cameras, which is really exciting because we can then share that with the hospital patients who can't get out here. The volunteers have also restored a pond over in the semi-ancient side of the woodland. It's led to us being able to count 124 species across the woodland, which is really exciting considering we're so close to Burton Town Centre. The volunteers have been crucial. Without them, we would never have got pathways re-established. We certainly wouldn't have the steps from a muddy slope. They've made it really accessible for a lot more people. There's still a long way to go, but that's all part of the process.
We want to make the wood open to everyone, not just able-bodied people, but people who have less mobility, and hopefully encourage more people to come from the community to come and listen to the birds and to chill out, just to take their mind off busy lives in the hospital, busy lives at home.
So we've hosted a range of events at the Wood, everything from bat walks in the summertime. Other events include forest bathing, mindfulness walks. Again, we've had our kind of forestry-based volunteering sessions. As well as that, the Wood is used by a fair number of the community. Next steps include the refresh of the information board. We are thinking about having kind of informational plaques on the trees as well. So, contain information such as the scientific name, the binomial, the common name. As well as that, we want to kind of establish an accessible seating area. So again, it's really to facilitate the use and really just to get people up into the wood.
Seeing the site transformation is fabulous. What it was 12 months, 18 months ago, to seeing it now, seeing the light, seeing how much more accessible it is absolutely brilliant.
It's just a really heartwarming project because it's opening this forgotten space up to the community once again, which is who it belongs to, really.
Working with the National Forest has been a wonderful experience during the project works itself, and again towards the end of the project now.
I can honestly say, without their support and backing from the start and their advice and pointing us in the right direction, we wouldn't have done a quarter of what we've been able to achieve.
We've got a fantastic team who can help support with getting new trees planted and advice and support with woodland management. We want to continue working with volunteers and landowners to make sure we look after these fabulous woodlands so that they're still here for future generations.